Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. In today's video, I am going to be organizing my pantry. So I did an organization video not too long ago. It was a few months back, but I recently let it get out of hand due to the holidays, and I just wanted to declutter it, empty it all out and start fresh and move things around and just make it a little bit different. I have purchased more bins and more baskets, so that is what we're going to be doing in today's video. We're just going to be organizing the pantry. If you like organization videos, please make sure to like this video so I know. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So here are the bins that I'm going to be using. All these are from the Container Store. My husband is awesome and he got me all of these baskets and acrylic organizers for Christmas, and I'm so in love with them. I love the see-through. I love being able to see exactly what's inside, and I feel like it just makes everything look more neat. And here are some clips that I bought from Amazon that I will be attaching to the baskets, and they also come with these pantry labels that are very nice. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just empty out my whole pantry and start with a blank canvas. It does help that my pantry was already a little bit organized and all of my containers were semi-full, but I still wanted to take everything out because I want to do different placements, and I also want to give my pantry a good clean because I haven't done that in a few months. I'm using a multi-purpose surface cleaner and just cleaning out my pantry. There was some rice that was spilled, a couple of residue from cans, and it just really needed to be cleaned. So I'm so happy that I did this. For the new year, I promised myself that I'm going to declutter and organize my whole house in different areas. So I have a lot of baskets and I'm so excited to start this journey. So if you guys would like to see any of that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you let me know exactly what you want to see. If you want to see some closet organization, laundry organization, anything like that, because those videos will be coming very soon.
You think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me, no. I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back. You don't wanna wanna be left out. You wanna feel something real with someone who knows what you.
So next I am just filling up my airtight food containers and then putting them away to free up some counter space.
What you're looking for, yeah. You think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me, no. I would love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad, yeah. I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back. I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad, yeah. I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back.
So I have a basket labeled extras, and in here I put my extra cereal. That way I can get rid of the boxes and not have them all cluttered inside of the pantry. I just have it neatly put away and up at the very top of my pantry. So next I'm removing all of my cans from my expandable spice rack. That is what this is called. I purchased it from Amazon, and I'm just going to be cleaning it because I'll show you guys a close-up here. It did get a little bit dirty since I haven't cleaned it in a few months, so I'm going to clean it with a multi-purpose surface cleaner.
Baby, got me breathing now, breathing now. Welcome to this one-way ride. We're all on it, got to give it a go. All we got is hope. Don't you know? Wipe the floor of yesterday. You can change it.
The key to organizing is to make sure you have all of your items facing forward and in the same direction. That way it just looks more neat and put together.
Open, cannot close. Baby, got me breathing now. Breathing now. Took my head out of the sand. We're all in it, better. Open your eyes, see the open sky. Don't you know? Shake whatever brings you down.
So I love this Lazy Susan from the Home Edit. I love that it's acrylic and clear. It also comes with dividers that you can move or adjust depending on what you're putting inside. But in here I chose to put hot sauce or any type of sauce like soy sauce, barbecue sauce, anything like that.
Where I go, heart still open, cannot close. Baby, got me breathing now. Breathing now.
And these are perfect for like the weird spaces that you have in your pantry, whether it's like a corner or here like a middle section that's kind of hidden. I found that these are perfect for my pantry. So my last basket, I labeled it paper goods, and I decided to put all of my paper towels in there. That way they're not all scattered inside of the pantry, they're just neatly put away. And in this basket, I decided to name it miscellaneous and just put napkins, paper plates, plastic forks and spoons, and anything like that. These containers here are from Amazon. I love that they have the bamboo lid, and the next few containers that I'm going to show are also from Amazon. I'll go ahead and have them all listed down below with a link just in case you guys are interested and you can shop around. I love how everything is starting to come together and how everything is looking so far. Let me know in the comments below your favorite area of my pantry, whether it's the containers or just a specific area. I really love the bamboo lids. I think they're my favorite out of all the containers that I have. So my last basket, I am labeling it storage, and in here I am just putting things that we don't normally reach for and things that are just not pleasing to the eye. And this way it is inside of a basket and just put away nice and neat.
We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It was impossible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents?
So here is the end result of my pantry. I am absolutely in love. I think it made a huge difference adding the 4 baskets on top and just adding the acrylic organizers and having everything nice and open. I love how everything turned out. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you. I'm going to be posting a lot more organization videos, so stay tuned for those. And yes, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you soon in a new video. Bye.
But we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time.